everyone, OmniOmenZ here, and today I'll be playing South Park Snow Day. Wish I had some buddies to play with, but unfortunately, I'm gonna be going it solo, so... yeah, here's what it is. Entering campsite, alright, let's go. Let's do some exploring.
These Marshwalkers think they can ambush us?
I am gonna look for my TP. Oh, cheesy poops. Dodge? Dodge? Dodge?
Oh no!
Yeah, I got magic now, fool!
Don't think so!
Last time I had a freaking bow, I prefer magic. It's like AoE. Oh, one of them's trying to run. One of them's trying to run.
What?
Yo, he's hiding. Look at him. Yeah. No running. No running. Oh, one of my buddies is down. I think one of the other ones are over there reviving him. Come here. Cheesy poops. That was a fail.
Ow!
Nah, you ain't going nowhere. Nah, no retreat. No retreat.
I'm bleeding!
Good.
I'm just doing my job.
No retreat. Damn, he's taking forever to kill.
Ow, too hard.
Oh, that was a close one. Entering Main Street. Let's go. Alright. Wow, that's sad.
Find Stan and smash his army. And then kick him in the bows if you can.
Why, man? Why?
Hey, over here! Your army won't help you, Cartman! You're gonna die today!
Wow, aggressive.
I said you're gonna die today! Screw you, you're gonna die!
Oh my god.
I said screw you, you're gonna... Never mind! Let's just fucking go! Whatever! Let's just fucking go! That's what I said, let's fucking go!
Oh my god. What the hell? Okay. Yo, did that hit me?
Kids are dead!
Wow. That's not good. Okay, I need to get up there. I'm thinking maybe... yeah, that worked. Oh my god. Childs. Yo, children are stabbing me in the back. What the hell? Alright. Alright. I need to get rid of those... What the hell is this? It's just... God. Get off of that platform. You little shoit. Alright.
I guess I'm done playing.
I guess you are, you little bastard. Alright. Whew, that was, that taken care of.
You're going down.
No, I'm not.
Help me! Help me! Nigga!
Oh my god! That was aggressive!
Taking out their feet.
You ain't taking out anything.
Ow!
I cannot believe that man just came up and beat my ass.
You wanna see me do it again?
Oh, no, no, he's choking me out! He's choking me out! What the hell? Nah, get out! Get up off me.
You wanna see me do it again?
Oh, no! No, he's actually doing it! Oh my god!
You wanna see me do it again?
Okay, I need to find some heals. Yo! Yo! Why is this your go-to? Why are you so violent?
We're just playing.
Oh my god! Oh my god! No! I don't wanna...
Ow!
Search the...
New kid, you're no match for my Marshwalker powers! Let's
Okay.
have my friend Kenny kick your ass.
Kenny the
All right,
princess.
Take out Princess Kenny. Don't let her kiss you, or you're totally gonna be pussy whipped.
Oh my god. I'm sorry, now I really gotta kick his ass. Yo, what was that? Yo, yo, yo! Oh my god! What's wrong with me? Alright, so Kenny might actually be difficult. And I am not a fan of that. I'm just gonna use fire on him, because reasons. Yo, what the... I think I'm... oh, crap. Kenny is probably... I think Kenny might actually be harder than freaking Kyle. And he's so annoying about it, too. Look at that crap. Freaking... This is actually hilarious, but at the same time, super obnoxious. This is a good chance to get hits on him when he's doing that crap. I need to go up and fart on him. Oh my... Yo, I'm charmed? What happened? No, I'm beating you up, Kenny. Roll. Rolling helped. Alright, Kenny's actually annoying. I don't like it. I don't like it. Burn, you little bastard. Come here. Oh, crap. Now I really need to heal. They're freaking... Oh my god, they're everywhere. I don't like... No. No, we need to get these out right away. Alright, come here, Kenny. Come here, you little bastard. You shot a rainbow at me. Why are you like this? Why is this your character? Oh, okay, Kenny. Finally! Oh my god, he was so annoying. It was hilarious, but he was annoying. I'm gonna beat his freaking... Oh my god.
We destroyed something beautiful today.
Oh my god. Good. And no, it was not beautiful. That was so cringy. So very cringy. But I hope everyone enjoyed. And like always, y'all are much appreciated. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And let me know if you want to see more of Snow Day by South Park. And with that being said, I'll see y'all next time. Later.